Hi guys, it's your Yammi coming to you from the Disney Character Warehouse store. I'm going to go in and see what they have and see what you can find. I'm excited. Let's go. Alright, there's the Mount Flies. We're at the iDrive location, not at the Vineland location. So it's a little different here in this store. These are the Mount Flies they have $29.99, $39.99, and $44.99. And then of course hats, they range anywhere from $5.99 to $14.99 I've seen. So it varies on the hat. These graduation years for 2022, they are $2.99 a piece. And the regular baseball caps are somewhere between $7.99 and $14.99 depending on the hat. Okay, a few things I'm seeing different on the clothes is the Tiana collection for women is out, and that's right over in this section. We have like a skirt, overalls, t-shirts, jackets. Prices all vary. And then in clothing, this Minnie Mouse is new. Living the dream. But this is new too. This is from Marvel. But this shirt's in here from, I think it's from Wakanda, for $20. Men's button-down shirts. There's all kinds here. This is more like a lightweight jacket, I would say. But it looks like a spirit shirt, spirit jersey. Of course, we got Oogie Boogie, DuckTales, Electrical Parade, Joy, and this is from the Food and Wine 2022. I even see Halloween shirts here, so. We have some Disney Mickey shirts here. Oh my. That's a heavy, big shirt. And this is only an extra large. Yeah, and it's huge. And this is the wall of Crocs. And they go for anywhere from $19.99 for kids up to $29.99. Oh, I just now noticed that this dress is here. Fine, now. How much do they want for this dress? This dress is now here for $40. But there's also a dress right here. It's a Tiana dress. It's very pretty. I liked it. I thought about it, but we have either smalls or 2X or 3X. No extra large. Bummer. Okay, the music's loud in here, so at times you're just going to get pictures. But I'm going to try to talk as much as I can. This store is very crowded, and this is the line to check out. And the checkouts are way over there where you see Character Warehouse. So it tells you how busy this store gets. $4.99. There we go. That's what they look like. Now, I'm not sure whose dress this is, but it's adorable. $25. They have some of the kids' Christmas stuff still available. And their clothes on the wall. Not much Christmas left. crowded. And I'm so proud of Obi. There was a service animal sitting at the door with their handler, and Obi just looked and was quiet. He was good. So I was impressed that he was good. He's getting better with seeing other dogs. He's not barking as much. Makes it easier for when I take him places when he does behave. So since he behaved, he can come next time too. Next week I will be going back over to Vineland Premium Outlets, to that location. I am going to come to this location once a month and film here, but I'm going to stay more towards Vineland because that one's closer to my house. Less traffic, less headaches for me, and it's bigger. This one's smaller, and it's really hard to film in there because they have the music pumping. That's why you guys got that nice little montage of music and video and pictures, because it was extremely loud in there. Splash Mountain was playing, Haunted Mansion was playing, Oh, It's a Small World was playing. So all of those are copyrighted, so I can't have them on my video. So I have to take the sound out and put in my own music. Make it sound musical for you. Make it sound musical. That doesn't make sense, does it? It makes it nicer. I hope you guys enjoy it though. As always, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My numbers go up. I get suggested more. It's a good thing for me. And then watch my videos. I watch them all. I'm funny sometimes. Other times I'm corny. But you'll have a good time. And if you have missed it, on Monday nights we've been doing our lives at 7 p.m., which one Monday a month, it could be the second Monday of the month, I will be doing it at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So our UK friends can come on and join the live with us. So it's the second Monday of the month is at 5 p.m. All the other Mondays are at 7 p.m. But we hope you can join those. They've been lasting an hour and a half, and we're having a good time. And I think you guys will enjoy it. Go back, watch some of the old ones, see how you like it. Come join on, pick on Boo, it's all fun. He likes it. But we're going to head out of here and head back home now. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all, and have a blessed day. Bye.